Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a subdomain in GoDaddy and connect that domain with your Flexifunnels account. So first of all, let's open both of the platform, and meanwhile what we are doing is we are just opening the Flexifunnels and let's go to the settings. Under settings, let's go in the domain and just click on this domain. Yeah, so here what I want, this email, sorry, this domain I want to set. Okay, and let's save it. Once we are saving it, it will give us two values. Okay, and you don't need to share these values with any of the person. Okay, once you logged in into your account, then you will get your domain here or somewhere here, right, wherever domains option is. You just need to go there and click on domain. Once you click on the domain, you will be able to redirect towards the DNS settings, right? You just need to click on these DNS settings, then you just need to click on the add a new record. Once you click on this add a new record, this will help you to add exact subdomain whatever you want to add into your domain. For example, here we are going to add the subdomain that would be flex.yourdesigner.com. so here what we are going to add is flex as a subdomain. So first what we have to do is we just need to choose a CNAME. Okay, then we just have to add the first word here, flex, as it is showing it here, flex. You just need to copy it if you want, right? You just need to copy and paste, then come here, copy where you want to target the values of this particular record. You just need to add. Perfect. Now it is updating the DNS settings. Now what you have to do is you just need to go here, click on close. Once you click on the close, you just need to click to verify, and that's it. You don't need to focus more on anything. It's completely secured, and let me show you is it working or not. So for example, let's go here. I have created few templates. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect that domain with this particular project. Okay, so here you can see, please select a domain. Now I can select this particular domain here. Let me save it. Perfect. Okay, so now it is redirecting within 3 minutes, right? It will be set up and every single thing will be happen. So let's see. Okay, it's not live as of now. Let me refresh it. Yep, let's see. Perfect. So finally you can see here it is now live on flex.yourdesigner.com / the slug, whatever your page name is. For example, if you want to set your page name from here, like page settings, and this, for example, flex page update. Good. Yeah, it's taking a bit more time, so till then what we are going to do is, these are the very bad thing what happens, by the way. Yeah, let's go. So what we are doing till now is we just need to change this slug. Okay, let's publish it. Perfect. Is it looking good? Yeah. So today what we learned is how we added the domain in this how we added this subdomain inside our main domain, and how we connected this subdomain with our Flexifunnels account. I hope you like this video. If so, just hit a like button and comment me if you are struggling with something or if you are facing the same issue. Let me know if you got resolved. Thank you.